Good morning, everyone. Aja here from Pandamonium. We are here at Craggy Wash in Lake Havasu, Arizona. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day today. It's just the weather is awesome. Hopefully it doesn't get too hot. At the van build, oh, these flies. Flies are always ridiculous. Anyways, at the van build, someone stopped by. I met him last year at the van build. His name's Gio. He brought me some birthday presents because he wasn't there for my birthday, which is September 26th. But he was nice enough to save them and he brought them by. Thank you, Gio. So I'm going to open them up and see what it is. Oh my God, I freaking love it. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? That is so cute. Thank you, Gio. That's wonderful. I'm gonna find a place to put it. Ugh, I love that. He also brought me one more present. Hello everyone, it's Panda. Oh my God, I love it. This is too cute. Thanks, Gio. This is wonderful. Such awesome presents. Love it. Thank you, Gio. Well, it's time to get my day started. Not sure what I'm going to get into today, but I'm sure I'll figure it out.
Hi, I'm Bob from Patton, Maine, and Onward Bound.
Okay, Moo-moo, it's time to stop being lazy. Ooh. Boogie eyes, boogie eyes, boogie, 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 boogie. Get out the boogie, boogies. Go, you go outside now. Go play. Ross has joined us. Scratchy, scratchy, scratchy the face, Moo-moo, scratch it. Ooh. You glad to be out, Moo-moo, huh? So I am situated in the spot that I want to be in. I have my suitcase solar out for my portable bank, and Terry and Scott are getting resituated, and there's the rest of the peeps. I really love this Yeti lithium portable bank. It was at 2% because we were watching movies last night, and I put the panel out. It's been charging for about 3 hours, and it's now up to 55%. Hi, Miss Terry.
Hi, Miss Aja.
Hi, Scott.
Hi, sweetheart.
No, I want you.
Hello, Rossi Poo.
Hello there.
Hello, Marcia.
Hi, Aja.
Hey. Hey, Kevin. Hey, Aubrey. You look scared.
Oh, you scared me.
Hey, Ethan.
Yes, ma'am.
Whoa.
Hey, Cheslin.
Hello.
Baby May.
Hey, Mimi. Hey, Dana.
Hi, Sissy.
Hi, Steve.
Hello.
Hey, Sinsin.
Aw. She's starting to shiver. She
It's
thinks
not
it's getting
even
cold out here. I don't know what her deal is.
Hey, who is that? Bella. Hi, Dave.
Hi, Aja. Hi, YouTube.
Okay, now that we've got all the highs out of the way, I need to get changed. Awesome sauce. Much better. Moo was on the green carpet. Take your walk, girl. Come on. Take your walk down the green carpet. She's like, I gotta smell. Give me a second. Come on. You're slow walking down the green. Oh, now she's got
she's posing now.
She's doing her bow or her
Her bow. Her curtsy.
her curtsy. Let's go for a walk.
Are we going up? Are we going up the hill?
What do you mean you're landscaping?
I'm landscaping a yard for us.
We're in the desert, honey. There's nothing to landscape.
I have not had a green yard for a while here.
So this is her green yard.
Yes, it's always fun to do something fun once in a while.
Okay, let's go for a walk. 5
right.
minutes.
We'll go.
Good girl, Moo-moo. So we climbed up here, sort of out of breath, so I could get a higher vantage point of everybody here at the beginning of Craggy Wash. Not a lot of people, but quite a few. Come on, Moo-moo. We're not going all the way up. Let's go back down. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I shouldn't have wore sandals for this. It wasn't too bad.
Especially with those shoes.
I know, I was just talking about my shoes. How are y'all doing today?
We're doing great. Yeah,
Good.
we had a good time.
Awesome.
You got nice and brown out there too.
I know. Look at me. I got my entourage.
So you made that?
Yep.
Looks nice. Ethan made me a panda head out of rocks at my campsite. That's awesome. Good job. So we almost have camp set up here with the green fake grass and the chairs out. Yeah, the green fake grass.
And our fake fire pit.
Oh yeah, those are nice. They're the gas fire pits. Wow, they almost got stuck there. That's a big rig. Residency. You too can do it if you're in a Class A. What are these rocks supposed to be?
Pandas.
Are those pandas as well? No.
That's what they said.
Oh, it is Aubrey, are these supposed to be pandas too?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. That's awesome.
As long as you're getting a good angle.
Well, he got my angle last night.
Did you tell Asha?
apparently,
Gavin did?
He had her
apparently I sleepwalked half naked.
What?
I don't know.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
were you out?
Yeah.
I
Your
didn't have
butt
pants on.
exposed?
I didn't
Yeah,
have.
she was.
Looked like she had no.
I don't
We
remember.
Wait, which
And I
You
had
can use
socks
both
on.
of them.
Alright,
I don't know how that happened.
have a look.
And Banjo was with me. Like, how did that happen?
That's not embarrassing.
It's not really. I've done far worse. Trust me. Oh, are we just supposed to admit? I'm just kidding.
Kevin's
Anybody
gonna
else?
load it for big views.
I'll make
Yeah, that's gonna get
Would
some
you
big
let me
views.
borrow your fork?
Thank you.
Oh, that's so
Dog
funny.
walking in the bus.
Thank you, Masha.
Full
I'm trying to get a coyote. Instead, he got an
Now my
elephant.
sauce.
full
Your mom's,
Asha.
Over there.
Dana.
your mom's making. Hey,
I'm
can
so
you make me
mean
one
to
of those?
myself. Look. Sure, here's yours.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, maybe not an elephant, but he got a.
Who got an elephant? What? Oh. Oh,
I
never
thought
mind.
he was trying to get a coyote. I'm so mean
There
to
should be a
myself.
spoon right
Did
there
Sue
too.
tell you
I'm
that,
just
that
a spoon. Okay.
no TV?
Is there?
What?
Well, no generator, no TV.
Oh, you don't have a generator yet? Thank you.
No, unfortunately, we gotta have somebody with some experience look at it before we can have everything work.
Pasta's right on the table.
You just bought a bunch of new movies.
I will. Well, are you kidding who? Okay.
Well, a lot of fun fixing.
So Marsha was nice enough to make dinner tonight. It's spaghetti. I'm trying to stay away from pasta so I didn't have too much lettuce, and then I know bread too I'm trying to stay away from. But you know, it's one night, so this garlic. Ooh, look at that. That garlic spread. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Make sure you wear that out tonight, okay, when you're walking the dog.
Huh? What if I'm naked? What if tonight I'm buck naked with just this hat on? Make sure you're recording, please. I'll get a lot of views. Negative, a lot of dislikes.
They count the same.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Pull up a chair,
It's
Asha.
participation.
Asha.
I'm not dragging it over here.
Up a log.
I can sit. I mean, I can stand.
There's a chair right here.
I can move here.
That sauce is so good, Mark.
Thank you.
We're soaking up the view behind it.
It's made with a lot of love.
Why are you so fat?
Not too much, I hope.
I tried to pour some beer into it.
I'm good.
And this you did this with her.
Oh my God.
Give that just
Very
like
good, Marsha. Thank
smoky
you.
flavor.
It is really
welcome.
good.
And there's a beautiful
Enjoy, everybody.
sunset.
The sun has set and those colors are beautiful. Wipe that table. Wipe it. I have the speaker out because I think I'm going to do a little bit of music just for the evening. Oh, so nice and peaceful. Well, until I start the music. Got my cute little lantern lit. I'm gonna hang this up. I wanna thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everyone. See you then. Good night.